all the students of class 10. Today I am going to teach you chemistry chapter chemical reaction and equation. We know that chemical reaction are the process in which new substance with new property are formed. केमिकल रिएक्शन आर द प्रोसेस, यह एक विधि है इन विच जिसमें न्यू सब्सटेंस नए पदार्थ विथ न्यू प्रॉपर्टी आर फॉर्म्ड. नए फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन, magnesium oxide formed. After balancing 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO. Here before reaction all the property of magnesium and oxygen are found, but after reaction a new compound is formed, magnesium oxide, in which no property are found of magnesium and oxygen. Therefore, in a reaction, all the elements that can take part in chemical reaction are present in a new substance, but entire property of the reacting substance are not present in the product. ये मैग्नीशियम का गुण और मैग्नीशियम का गुण आफ्टर रिएक्शन no sub property are found in magnesium oxide separately. Similarly, Fe plus S, iron plus sulfur, when react with each other they form FeS. Here no property of iron and sulfur are found after reaction. So the breaking of a old bond between two elements or a compound form a new bond with new compound. नए कंपाउंड में नया बॉन्ड बन जाता है. ड्यूरिंग ए केमिकल रिएक्शन एटम ऑफ एलिमेंट डू नॉट चेंज. एटम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स डू नॉट चेंज. एलिमेंट के एटम नहीं बदलते, ओनली दी न्यू अरेंजमेंट अकर्स. ए बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म एंड द अरेंजमेंट, न्यू अरेंजमेंट आर फाउंड. Therefore, in the example, F and S form a new bond and the compound is iron sulfide. When iron and sulfur react or heated, the iron sulfide is formed. Now further we are going to learn about reactant and product. That means what is reactant? So those substances that can take part in the chemical reaction, a substance that take part in the chemical reaction are known as reactant. So reactant REACTI, reactant, 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 the substances which take part in the chemical reaction, take part in the chemical reaction. And then after reaction, the substance which form is known as product. Those substance, the new substance new substances that form after reaction is called product. In example, Zn plus H2SO4. ZnSO4 plus H2. Here Zn plus H2SO4 are reactant and ZnSO4 are SO4 and H2 are product. Therefore, in a chemical reaction, always reactant react and form product. Some chemical reactions are also found in nature, such as formation of curd, souring of milk, cooking of food. Cooking of food is a chemical reaction. Digestion of food in our body, हमारे शरीर में भोजन का पचना एक केमिकल रिएक्शन है. एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ respiration, it is also a chemical reaction. We get energy as a heat by the chemical reaction like respiration. Burning of fuels, it is also a chemical reaction. All the fuels which contains carbon burn that is it react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide and energy. Here an important things that when magnesium react with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Then we rubbed the magnesium surface with sandpaper because there is a layer of magnesium oxide found on the magnesium surface. And it is an important question that why magnesium is rubbed with sandpaper. Now further, next topic, we have to learn the characteristic of chemical reaction. That means how we know the reaction proceeded, यानी रिएक्शन हो रहा है. Due to some characteristic, we confirm about reaction. For example, evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Formation of precipitate. Formation of PPT or precipitate. 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 Characteristic of chemical reaction. Evolution of gas. When Zn react with H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus H2, a gas is evolved after reaction, and we becomes Zn and H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus H2, that means हाइड्रोजन गैस इज इवॉल्व, और हम जानते हैं कि रिएक्शन हो रहा है. अगेन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेट. इफ टू कंपाउंड्स आर react each other, there is a curd-like substance are found which is not soluble in water, and therefore it is known as precipitate, or in short form PPT. Change in color. When two substances combine together after reaction, a new substance is formed, and then the color changes. Change in temperature. Change in temperature. Change in temperature. In a reaction, when occurs some amount of heat is released और एब्जॉर्ब्ड. कुछ ऐसे रिएक्शन होते हैं जिसके लिए रिएक्शन कराने के लिए उसमें हीट दिया जाता. फॉर एग्जांपल पोटासियम क्लोरेट. व्हेन हीटेड, potassium chloride and oxygen found. Secondly, change in state. In fifth number, change in state. Change in a state. When hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is a gas, or hydrogen found in gaseous state and hydrogen found in gaseous state. But when hydrogen and oxygen react each other, it form water which is liquid. Here gas changes into liquid state. Therefore, after reaction, when the product is formed, the state changes like solid, liquid and gas. Here are some examples of all the property. Change in state. Now further we have to learn chemical reaction. Now we have learned chemical equation. The chemical equation, the method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formula of the substance involved in it, known as a chemical equation. Means when we write zinc plus sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate plus hydrogen, and it is a word equation. It is a word equation. Now again we write Zn plus H2SO4 ZnSO4 plus H2. It is a chemical equation. Here is only word are used, but here the symbol are used. Therefore, Zn plus H2SO4 equal to ZnSO4 plus H2 are chemical equation. But if we write in word, then this will be chemical reaction. Here Zn plus H2SO4 are reactant and the ZnSO4 plus H2 are product.